Hey guys, it is mid-morning right now. It's only a nice cool 96 degrees and it's going to be 106 later. So I thought I would get started on a little upcycle project that should go pretty quickly and easily. And I'll show you what we have going on here. We have this patio set we got maybe a year and a half ago, but it being plastic, it just does not take our heat very well. And the top of this coffee table completely caved and imploded. It had this weave like you see on the sides here, and it just fell down, and so I cut that off. It goes with this couch over here, which we wisely decided to cover finally, and there is the glass top for this table, which was just like a magnet. I'm sure that was the problem and what made it decay so quickly. So what I'm going to do today is finish taking this plastic weave off, and then I think we're going to give it a little coat of paint and update it some. So I ground down the staples, and this is what we're left with. You can still see them, and the staple machine hit it so hard that there's little dents around each one. But I feel like I've invested enough time in it at this point, so I'm going to call this bug a feature and just see what we come up with. If I were doing this to sell, I'd probably follow with some auto body filler to give a nice smooth surface, but we're just going to call it an interesting texture since this is just for our own patio, and we'll see how it comes out once it's painted. All done with the paint, and it took exactly one can. It kind of squeaked by. You can still see the staples through it, but not bad. Like I said, this is a $0 project, so I'm not going to fill those with any putty or buy anything. This is just for the patio, nothing fancy. I went with the aqua because what we have, and we still have a kind of aqua theme going on out here. It would also look nice in gold or black with gold, but we have aqua, so that's what we got. I did have some flat blacks, so I updated the feet here. If you can see them, they were a sort of brushed chrome. Now they are a flat black, and I'll put those on in a little bit. But right now what I'm working on are adding some little bumpers for the glass, and I have these bushings from a previous project. I ended up not using them, but I found if I just snip them, then they can wrap around these support rods, and they'll be the bumpers for the glass when I put it back on. There we have it, all done from a decaying piece of plastic covered junk. We have a kind of funky, modern looking piece here with the glass top. And $0. That's what I like to hear. $0.